How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be making the engine bay a little bit cleaner. So what am I talking about by this? I'm talking about redoing this bracket, redoing this entire heat shield on the air filter, redoing this bracket, and maybe this one. So let's go ahead, take them off, sand them down, and paint them again. Okay, that was like holding up the entire thing. All right. It's not a 7, it's an 8. Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh, the rust acts like a nice lubricator. Nice. Oh, that was paint, thank God. Thank God that was paint. Oh, not all of it was paint. Oh wow. Wow. Nice little bit of flavor in here. Okay, the chassis is actually still really good. Oh boy. That's really nice, look at that. This has probably been in the car for since it was made. Oh, that's fantastic. Took some of that paint off, but whatever.